Welbilt is honored to be an essential business during this difficult time.
We are committed to helping you open your business just as quickly and as safely as possible.
At Welbilt, we believe in delivering customer support and customer care throughout the life cycle of your business.
And now, and especially in the next 30 days as your businesses begin to open, we're here to support you and we're here to help you.
With our trusted and committed approach to delivering superior service, we've committed to do three things. Number one, get your equipment up and running as fast as possible.
Ensure sanitation is made simple with our new enhanced sanitation solutions.
Our QuickShip program will get you new advanced equipment, cleaning products, and parts in no time.
Give us a call today. Welbilt is here for you to ensure your first 30 days are safe, that your customers feel secure, and that you have someone to trust.
We're here to support you and we're here to help you.
Together, we can overcome.
Together, we can overcome.